Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing an exciting Coach unboxing. So this particular item is part of the Coach summer sale. Oh my gosh, I am so excited that finally Coach put this on sale. So when I checked this one on the website, it's already been sold out before the summer sale. And I don't know, for some reason that this one actually popped up still on the sales section, but it's been sold out. This could not be purchased online anymore. It's completely sold out. So I texted my sales associate from Coach and asked her if they have this particular style at the store, and she said it is gone long time ago, but I could source it out for you. So she helped me source it out, the entire United States. And luckily, she found a store for me and placed this in a phone order. And oh my gosh, guys, have never thought that they will be able to fulfill my order. That's because it took them a while to process the order. It took them a while to ship this out for me. But finally, she's here. I haven't opened this one yet because I just received it. And wow, it is amazing. Like, oh my gosh, I did not expect that I got this in such a great price. So anyway, here's the package. This is my receipt right here. Oh my gosh, I just could not contain my excitement with this piece because this is my very first item exactly on this collection. So anyway, let me undo the ribbon for you. Oh my gosh. Hey. So they put it in a box. So I asked them to put it in a gift box. Even though it is not a gift. Well, it is a gift for myself again. So this is the packaging looks like. So surprisingly, they put this in a bag like this. So let me just take this one out. Oh, okay. I am going to reveal my very first Rogue 25. Wow, I've been wanting to add this in my collection in such a long time, and I don't know, for some reason it's just I have to convince myself whether I wanted to get this particular bag, because I am still in love with my cash and carry bag and I have used it a lot. So I was thinking that my collection wouldn't be complete without the Rogue. So, oh my gosh. So I keep eyeing on this Rogue that eventually it's going to go down on sale. So I went to the boutique several times in Coach, and I have been checking this one in particular. And wow, it is beautiful. It is so stunning. And what really sold me on this is the leather. The leather is gorgeous. And then also the lining, the suede lining. Oh wow. Oh wow. Even if I would still have paid for a regular price, it would still worth it. But then again, Coach always put all their stuff on sale, and it said, well, I could still wait. I still have a lot of purses that I could use, and I could still wait. I might probably gonna wait for a little bit to put this in sale. And now my answered prayer that eventually this one would that they would put this in sale, it is finally here. So I'm just letting you know, guys, that this one is completely sold out on the website if you're going to check that on the website. So I guess the only options that you have right now is probably ask your SA to call other stores, or to call the 1-800 number, or probably check a Nordstrom's, Macy's, or Saks. Maybe they have it. But upon checking it right now on the website, it is gone. It is completely sold out. But anyway, Here she is. So this one still has this packaging here. Okay, let me just remove all of these, okay? Okay, so I was able to remove some of those packaging here. So this is how it looks. Oh my gosh. The gorgeous green color and this beautiful brass hardware is amazing, guys. I mean, this one is made up of a combination of natural pebbled leather. This is the pebbled leather right here. And then the side is the glovetanned leather, the smooth glovetanned leather. Wow. Just love that beautiful combination of leather, guys. Wow. This one is very, very soft. Wow. I mean, this is very, very soft. See, as you could see. Wow. And then this is the side corner. Oh my goodness. This side as well. Oh, I wasn't able to remove some of these. But anyway, this is how it looks. And then this one came in with this removable 2 handles, which you could use it on your shoulder. Wow. Very, very nice. And also, so where's the handle? Okay. Right here, the handle, the 2 handles here, they actually tucked it in. Look at that. Wow. I mean, I don't know, but I just really find the handles, I just find the handle very, very attractive. It's another thing that what made me sold for this particular item is the handle. I am more likely a top handle person and I just love it. I don't know what makes it so, maybe because of the stitching or the structure itself, but I just really find the handles, the 2 top handles right here, gorgeous. Wow, look at that. It's stunning. I mean, with the color, with the green color, with the brass hardware, it is not a shiny brass hardware. It is not too matte as well, but it's not like shimmery shiny at all. But it's just like a perfect brass for this particular piece. Beautiful. It stood out. Very, very nice. So now let me take a look at the handle. I just really find this one right here. This one has a compartment right here on both sides, which is lined with suede. Wow, it is amazing. And the interior, the color is on a dark blue. Very nice. Very, very soft and smooth. It just feels so luxurious. Wow. And look at this, guys. The hardware. Look at that. That is actually attached to the handles. Wow. That's amazing. The craftsmanship is beautiful. And this one has engraved with the coach. Very beautiful. This is the hang tag. This is the 1941 hang tag right here. And wow, look at that. On the opposite side as well, you will be able to see that. It's gorgeous. Oh, this one has a tag. Surprisingly, I didn't see that. So this one is originally $595 US, but I got this for around $416.50 to be exact. That's before tax. Wow. So, wow, it's gorgeous. I just can't get over how pretty it is. Oh my gosh, the leather is amazing. Wow. So this one has a zipper compartment right here in the middle, which is more likely if you want to secure some of your stuff in the on the middle, you could put the one here, and I really love that they have that options. Oh wow, this is the strap where you could actually, this one is removable strap where you could actually use it if you want to wear this as a crossbody. So it's still in packaging and the color is green as well, made up of a smooth glovetanned leather. Wow, it's amazing. It's so beautiful. Wow, they gave you this strap right here, the double strap plus the top handle plus the removable crossbody strap. Oh wow, it's amazing. This purse has everything in it. Wow. I love the fact that actually Coach is giving you a lot of options though on how you carry it. They really want you to use their bag because they gave you all the options. There is no excuses for you not to wear this or use this. It's because, oh, if you want to use it as a top handle, you could use it as a top handle. If you want to use it in your shoulder, we'll give you this strap. If you want to use it as crossbody, we have it. We have it here for you. So yeah, that is such an amazing, amazing addition to this purses, guys. And that would definitely make your money worth. So anyway, this is the interior right here. This one is actually lined with a checkered material. And this is the Coach Creed right there, the story patch. Oh, this one has a dust bag. So this one is just the silk dust bag. This is not the 1941 dust bag. And wow, the inside is very, very spacious. This one has one pocket right here on the inside, and it has a lot of room on the inside. Wow, it is so roomy. It's amazing. The detail of this purse is beautiful. Look at that right there, the corner. Look at the thread that they use in the inside. It's also green as well. The inside with the patch grid is in yellow. Beautiful, excellent combination of colors. This one, as I mentioned earlier, this one has a two-side compartment, which is just like this. It just opens like this. But I like that you have an option if you wanted to secure your items. You have an option right here. Hold on. Right here in the middle. Like that. And wow, this one has a pocket right here. And then that's the inside. And then this one right here on the side, I think this one is a card holder right here. Just one pocket right here. I normally don't use that in my purse, but it looks really nice. Wow. I still can't get over how beautiful the interior is. Wow. I mean, if you're a Coach lover and if you're a collector, this is a must in your collection, guys. I am telling you right now. And wow, the stitching right there, the large stitching right there is absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Definitely a must in your collection. And then the sizes, this is a size 25. And it is a perfect size for me. Not too big and not too big and not too small. And oh, look at that. Again, look at the zipper right here. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. It's beautiful. It's very chunky though. It's very, very chunky. So right here at the bottom, beautiful. Wow, the attention of details is amazing. Wow. Oh wow, very, very nice. Wow, I am so happy with this purchase, guys. Well, what more can I say? What more can I say of how beautiful oh my gosh, the craftsmanship, the options, the strap options that you've got, the hardware, the price. Wow, it's everything. And also this one is very roomy. It looks very, very classy. It just feels luxurious. It feels luxurious. Such a versatile bag. Wow. Let me show you the bottom. So this is the bottom of the bag. This one, I love the fact that this one has 4 feet. I love that. And it says right here, genuine glovetanned pebbled leather. Very nice. Wow. I just love everything on these, guys. Wow. I just love everything on this beautiful, beautiful purse right here. So yeah, if you wanted to add this in your collection, you might want to call the 1-800 number or USA, because I let me just check the website right now on my phone. Okay. Saks. This one is sold out at Saks right now. I've checked this one in the last couple of days. And yes, they sold out. I was like, it's so funny because I have been checking several stores if they have this available. And I am so close of placing another order. That's because it's been like, it took them like several days to fulfill this order. And I was a little bit nervous that it might get sold out and end up getting nothing. I just really could not really wait that they would ship this out for me. And after like 5 or 6 days, I know. No, after 4 days, if I'm not mistaken, they were able to provide me the tracking number, and then I was able to get it in the next couple of days. So I recently got this, and wow, it was beautiful. Wow, it is so beautiful. I love it. I love it. Oh. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.